Blessed, blessed, blessed. Starseed here once again. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. So today now, we are going to talk about some selfish man. What they mean, them not give away nothing. Them not give away nothing. Here what I want. Let me tell you what I want. See, the only person can get anything from people like them there have to be a girl. Only woman alone. So here what I want now. You have some people, them have it all and then can help others and they not do it. Don't be selfish. That's not nice. That's not nice. That's why some girl take on the money. Take on the money. Yeah. And make others go enjoy. Yeah. Big up to no girls. We take them money. Yeah, man. We don't need to help poor people. The suffering in a right. Yeah. Some people just take everything for themselves and just leave others hungry. Them things are not right. You call them selfish, I mean. Yeah. And you have to make a step. Yeah, man. Because I know so life will go. We are supposed to unite and join. You understand what I say? Because even to in the music industry, this is enough man career get hold on. Because them enough is strive. You understand what I say? Only certain man for eat food. See? Then hear me I say I know. If I only one side of the world I eat food and the other not eat food, then you see the world unbalanced. That not right. And no for no rob people and money, especially poor people. No take away everything. Yeah. Them things are not right. Yeah, man. So when you see a man I help people and I do them things, love them man there. I try to bring down them man there. Them man there do them things, them not hurt nobody, them not grow they go block matty shop, them not do them things and them a help people. Them a do them things and I help people. Love them man there. Because you we got it when not help nobody, you not put nothing to the table. You sell out. Selfish. You selfish you. You see what me I say? Help others, man. You see what me I say? That's how the thing go. Yeah. Yeah, man, I start seed here once again, you know, I just come to tell you that, you know, because guess what I want. I want hand wash here, you know. Yeah, man. You have the mix up and thing. Big up yourself. Yeah.